LowFruits claims to be the best keyword research tool for beginners, but does it hold up? If you're tired of complicated tools that overwhelm rather than help, stick around as we dive into what makes LowFruits stand out or fall short. LowFruits positions itself as a user-friendly keyword research tool designed specifically for beginners. Right off the bat, the interface is clean and intuitive, which is a huge plus if you're just starting out. You can easily input your niche or topic, and it generates a list of relevant keywords along with search volume and difficulty scores. What's interesting is their focus on long-tail keywords, which are often less competitive and more targeted. This can be a game changer for new website owners looking to carve out a space in crowded markets. However, I noticed that the depth of data can feel a bit basic compared to more established tools. While it's great for beginners, advanced users might find it lacking in features like competitive analysis or SERP tracking. There's also a bit of uncertainty around their data sources, which is a crucial aspect for anyone serious about SEO. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, LowFruits is incredibly user-friendly and perfect for those new to SEO. The focus on long-tail keywords is a definite strength, helping users find less competitive opportunities. But there are downsides. The data can feel a bit too basic for advanced users, and the lack of in-depth features like SERP tracking or competitor analysis might frustrate more experienced marketers. Additionally, I had some concerns about the transparency of their data sources, which could affect trust in the results. If you're just starting your SEO journey, LowFruits may suit you well, but if you're looking for a comprehensive tool with all the bells and whistles, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, LowFruits is a solid choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into keyword research. It's easy to use and focuses on long-tail keywords. However, more seasoned users might find it lacking. If you're serious about SEO, consider trying it out, but keep your options open for more robust tools down the line.